Hello friends, myself Dr. MANAUTI PATIL, and today we are going to see the first chapter from physical chemistry, that is chemical energetics. From that, first question is write a brief account of thermodynamic processes. In that first point, the thermodynamic processes are as follows. Isothermal process. What is the isothermal process? If the process is carried out in such a manner that the temperature remains constant throughout the process, means throughout the process temperature remains constant, is called as the isothermal process. Then next is adiabatic process. If a process is carried out in such a manner that no heat flows from system to surrounding or vice versa, or the system is completely insulated from the surrounding, is called as the adiabatic process. Then isochromic process. A process which involves no change in the volume of system is called as the isochromic process. Then what is isobaric process? A process which involves no change in the pressure of the system is called isobaric process. Then a reversible process. A reversible process is defined as process which is carried out infinitesimally slowly, such that all the changes occurring in the direct process can be exactly reversed and the system appears to be in the state of equilibrium at each moment. A reversible process may also be defined as process which is carried out in such a manner that at every stage driving force is only infinitesimally greater than the opposite force, and which can be reversed by the increasing the opposite force by an infinitesimal amount. Then irreversible process. A process not meeting the above requirement is called as the irreversible process. An irreversible process is defined as the process which is not carried out infinitesimally slowly, so that the successive steps of the direct process cannot be retraced, and any change in the external condition disturbs the equilibrium. An irreversible process occurs when it is carried out rapidly or fast. Means these are the thermodynamic processes. First is isothermal process, adiabatic process, isochromic process, isobaric process, reversible process, and irreversible process. Then we will move to second question, that is state and explain thermodynamic equilibrium. What is thermodynamic equilibrium? A system is said to be in thermodynamic equilibrium if the macroscopic properties of the system in various phases do not show any variation with time. Then thermodynamic equilibrium implies that following three different equilibria must exist simultaneously. In that, first is thermal equilibrium. This implies that there should be no flow of heat from one portion of the system to another portion of the system. This is possible when the temperature of the system remains constant. Here we have to keep temperature constant. Then in mechanical equilibrium, this implies that no work should be done by one part of the system over another, or no macroscopic movement of matter should take place within the system or with respect to its surrounding. This can be achieved when pressure of the system remains constant. We have to keep here pressure constant. Then chemical equilibrium. This equilibrium implies that no change in composition should occur in any part of the system with passage of time. Thank you.